What's up guys, back again with another YouTube video. You haven't seen a video like this for a long time. So finally went up and actually bought an Oculus Quest. I've been waiting a long time to get this ever since I tried my friend's Oculus Rift. I was planning to get one, but at the time I didn't have the PC good enough to play it, but also I just wanted a viewer that didn't have all the wires and all that sort of stuff on it. So I went and got the Oculus Quest, even during this time where some places, like I've seen Argos, €600 for the 64GB model, which is way too much. Why would you pay €600 for an Oculus Quest? If that's the case, you could get, I think, a HTC at the time, and then just, you probably, if you're spending €600 on it, you probably have a really good computer. So there's no point. So let's get straight into this. Let's get into the best part of all unboxings. You already know what it is. This is the sound of the wrapper tearing. Okay, so what really surprised me when I was opening all this was the fact that it was very, first off, very premium, like solid box, had pretty much solid everything. Didn't feel like a cheap product at all, but also there was bits of dust in it. I'm not sure how to explain it, but there was dust in it, which you will hear me say if I can find it in this clip where it says it's dusty. It's dusty. Okay, so I think I found the clip. So if I did, you heard me say it. But yeah, it was weird. It was like it wasn't dusty inside of it. Everything was all like still had the stickers and stuff on it, but it was like dusty on the outside. So when they were packing it, it must have been a dusty area or something, which is weird. But I was like, damn. I just got scammed by Oculus and Facebook. Facebook's out to get me because I don't have a Facebook account. So that was, I think, the only bad thing I've seen about this whole unboxing. Like the controllers, like these new touch controllers. I've used the Oculus Rift first generation controllers. These ones feel a lot nicer, even though smaller, I think. But I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel with the circular ring going around the front side of it over the back side of it. So that was cool. Another thing as well, the glasses spacer. I have glasses on. I personally wear glasses. If you see my streams, I wear glasses. But I'm not sure what that glasses spacer actually does. I have no idea at all. As you can see, I forgot about it. At the end of this video, you will see me just try unboxing it as a filler content. Like, I've seen everything, and I was like, I'm gonna re-unbox it instead of rewinding the video. And then halfway through, I couldn't get the box inside of the outer box, so it just failed. So I just throw it away. And I'm pretty sure you see me throw away that glasses spacer because I still don't know what that does at all. Because my glasses didn't fit in it. So what was the point of that? I have used it since, and if you want to see me do videos on it, I don't mind doing videos on it. I'm waiting to get Beat Saber soon, so I have super hot. I've been sweating and try-harding, even though it's super hot. It's kind of sad. But this whole unboxing was probably the most premium unboxing I've ever done, and the fact that it was during all this COVID-19 and all that, and I was able to get the Oculus Quest for its base price, even though it took a long while and waiting and looking at the Oculus site for ages, to the fact where I was sitting on the toilet and I checked it and it was in stock and it was sold out 10 minutes earlier. All of that was a pain, but at the same time it made you feel special that you actually got an Oculus Quest at base price instead of these €600 that Argus was selling it for. So overall, a very good unboxing experience, I would say. Would have preferred a little bit more of those wrapper, like the phone screen saver wrappers on the actual controller stuff. That would have been nice to take off to make them feel more premium, especially when there's all this dust on it. Or at least some sort of covering over the cameras, because they weren't so covered in the box, even though they're in a box, but still. Oh, there you see me. You see me throw away that glasses spacer. I don't know what that's for. One thing as well before this video ends, I want to say is I would have preferred rechargeable batteries. That's all. Full stop. Rechargeable batteries. Xbox also rechargeable batteries. Get that into your head. We want rechargeable batteries. So that's it for this video, guys. See you guys in the next one. As you see, I gave up.